Welcome to the Mind Renovation series, episode 9. This episode is called Home Inspection. And today we are going to talk about self-reflection. Hey beautifuls, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to me, hello. My name is Danoue Goueth. I am a confidence and mindset coach. In the previous episode, we talked about maintenance and upkeep, where I gave you some tip on how you can or what you can do to maintain your mental health. Just like a home inspection can help you reveal the situation of a house, self-reflection can help us understand our progress in life. When you are living in the home, after you renovate your home, maintenance is not enough, right? You're gonna have to also schedule home inspection every now and then to look deeper into everything and to see if the house has any areas that need to be repaired, or if there is anywhere in the house that needs improvement. This is the same thing for our mind renovation. Self-reflection is like inspecting our thoughts, our feelings, and our actions to identify if there is any area that needs to be improved. Self-reflection also leads to self-awareness. So by reflecting on your life, on yourself, you become more aware of what is happening in your life right now. It's just like a little inventory that you are doing, right? Is there anything that is happening that needs adjustment or improvement right now? Or is there anything that you are doing so well that needs to be celebrated? So now, if you go to sleep and you are on your phone, watching jokes or watching a movie or watching whatever it is, it makes you feel good. I understand that. But right before you go to sleep, you need to take a moment now to reflect on yourself, because whatever is you are watching, it's not your life, right? It's not your life. Even if you are watching some good self-development videos, you feel good about them, that's fine. And you still need to put the phone down now to close your eyes and reflect on your own life so you can find a way to apply them to yourself. Self-reflection is key. Let me give you another example. I'm a confidence queen, so this is the best example that I can give. Let's say you want to build your self-confidence, right? And then you know that you have to speak in public, let's say next week, and you realize that you are so nervous about it and you have to do it. So now, by applying self-reflection, you can identify what exactly makes you so nervous about public speaking, right? So now, is it because you're shy? Is it because you think that you are not good enough? Is it because you think that you are not going to succeed? Is it because you think that people will laugh at you? So whatever the reason is, you're gonna identify it and now, fix it, because you still have to do that speech. How you fix it? You can start by repeating some good affirmations, right? And also starting by removing those negative thoughts that are bothering you and replace them by positive thoughts, positive affirmations, positive words, to help you cope with the situation. Doing a home inspection, the inspector will come and identify the areas of repair, and then he will also write everything down, create a little plan for you guys to talk about what needs to be done and how you are going to proceed, right? So this is the same thing for our personal growth journey as well. we apply self-reflection, and through self-reflection we will put our fingers on whatever is bugging us in our lives, right? And then as soon as we identify it, now we will go about creating a little plan on how we are going to tackle on it, what we are going to do, and so we can have the result that we deserve. I want you to understand that self reflection is not a one time thing, it's an ongoing process, right? It's part of the mental home maintenance. It helps us stay on track, making progress in our lives, and also achieve our goals. All right, beautifuls, you know that I like to pause for a moment and acknowledge you by asking you some questions. My questions for you today are: do you practice self reflection in your daily routine? If you do, how does it work for you? If you don't, are you ready to take action and start doing it? Write your comment down below. I would love to hear from you. I also want to invite you to like, subscribe, and share my videos with anyone you think might benefit from them. Thank you in advance for the support. If you are ready to take your life seriously and you need a coach by your side to guide you and to help you reach your goals, click the link down below to book a free assessment call with me. Before we conclude this video today, I'm going to give you a simple self-reflection exercise that you can do every day to elevate your life. So take 10 to 15 minutes every day, sit down quietly and ask yourself some questions such as, what am I grateful for? What am I proud of? What can I improve on? And what actions can I take to make progress? If you ask yourself those 4 questions to begin with, you will realize that all the answers will be inside of you. You will find your answers within you. Do that and watch how your life is improving every day. By regularly inspecting our thoughts, our feelings, and our actions, we can continue to grow, to improve ourselves, and to renovate our mind so we can become the best version of ourselves. This is Danoue Goueth, empowering you to rise above the noise and embrace the true you. Now is your time to shine. Let's shine together. Until next time.